little ninja.
I know.
Do it for your fans.
You?
Yes.
So this is how we are cooking. Might be a fire hazard. Also, if you saw this cheese, we thought we got sliced cheese, but instead it's actually like a full-on block.
I'll take the blame on that one.
Since we just left the Mývatn lagoon, it was absolutely beautiful. It felt good. I think our favorite, kind of what we talked about, was the Blue Lagoon was still our favorite, but overall it was so good. And now we're just eating some lunch at like 3 p.m. and then we have about a 3-hour drive to our next campsite, so that should be fun. We're gonna eat and then I will talk to you tonight. Okay, I think this is our last waterfall of the trip. Most of the waterfalls we've seen before, so yes, it was a good one to end on. Nice and big, and we'll see if Cody has any informational facts for us. Apparently, this is called Waterfall of the Gods because they threw pagan statues into the river because they decided they wanted to be Christian. Right? Yeah. Okay, so we got to our campsite, and this is the shower and kitchen and little this thing right here. And there's our car. And then there's disc golf, and then Zipline.
This one's our car. Not that one.
Oh, sorry. And then this is like.
And then our famous Zipline.
Oh my gosh! Here is our campsite. It also has the frisbee golf, and so we're playing with this little. Cody, can you show them? This little guy, it's called gravity disc. He found it on TikTok and bought it. So this is what we're playing with. But it works really well. It travels, you know, fits in your pocket. All right, show them how it's done.
Redo.
There's a warning that this is way harder to fly than a frisbee.
To fly.
Well, throw, fly. See? Not even where I was aiming. Look good to me. Look at this awesome hot tub. Ocean, us, hot tub, hot tub, hot tub. Birds flying right over, like, whew, insane. It's so windy, but it feels so good. Like there's, oh, did I miss it? Oh no, there it is. If they fly so close. we've been to.
Was it a hot spring?
I don't know.
It was just a hot tub.
The best hot tub we've been to. And like, I feel like it was so underrated.
It wasn't even listed anywhere, was it? We only found it when we found that this campsite was accepted the camping card.
Yeah.
Definitely must do.
Must do. Very underrated.
Doesn't look like it's moving much, but man, if you could hear this.
Skincare time. Are you ready?
Against my will.
No, this wind is drying us out. You're not supposed to put the dropper on their skin.
Well, how's that going? You're poking me.
But I do it every time. So we got some Ordinary retinol. And then we got some Drunk Elephant night cream. It's nice.
My face looks so red. Is that just from the retinol you just put on there?
Oh, it does look really red. It wasn't like that a second ago.
I look like a clown.
Goody, it's clear. I don't know what to tell you. This is just some night serum. Because since Iceland doesn't get dark, it is night.
It's 6 p.m.
The water here, it has a sulfur smell because it's geothermal. It smells like a big fart. It really does.
But it's good for your skin. So I've been farting on Amanda, telling her it's good for her.
And that's why our marriage has lasted.
One fart a day keeps the doctor away, they say.
Also, no one tells you when you go to Iceland that you're gonna buy a million things because you didn't bring or think of that thing.
What can people bring so they don't have to buy?
These little neck warmer things. I don't know what you call these. Windbreaker?
You need a poncho, some sort of rain gear, and a windbreak for your neck. Scarf doesn't cut it.
Also bring 1,000 sweatshirts and pants because they get rained on.
Bring Crocs.
Shower shoes. We didn't bring those. And if we get athlete's foot, it's because of that. They have to see this. This is literally insane. I've never experienced this type of wind in my life. Apparently this is hurricane wind.
With no heat.
Yeah, so it's just cold.
We are starting the morning with a morning walk. Oh, good one. He's still following us.
Good morning. We are headed to the pool after a fun night out in Reykjavik. We also bought a city pass, which gives you access to like the pool, a couple museums. The pass is for 24 hours, so we're gonna try to hit as many as we can in 24 hours. So this should be a busy day and getting all our steps in before we have to fly in a plane. We are returning the camper keys with an engine light on. engine light on and a maintenance light on, but we got here safe, ready to take off to go back to Dallas. So excited. Oh, there's a lot of people here. Last day. Okay, bye. Goodbye, Iceland. Hello, USA. And pending 5 hours.
Kiss the ground.
Hi. Hi, are you? Hi. Oh.
Arlo. I don't think he cares about you.
I know. We just got back to our house, and so now we're gonna go get dinner because we're hungry and tired. So thank you so much for watching this vlog, and if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps support my channel. See you next time. Bye.